Students, today let us learn about combination of error. So these are three rules for combination of error will be followed. First, rule number 1, when the two quantities are added or subtracted, the absolute error in the final result is the sum of the absolute error in the individual quantity. So if, for example, if two quantity x and y are added up form the another quantity z, that is z equal to x plus y. Let us consider x involves some error, so it is indicated delta x, and then y involves some error, it is denoted by delta y, and then z is involves some error, means it is denoted by delta z. So here applied is z plus delta z equal to x means x plus delta x because having some error, plus then y means y plus delta y because this quantity having some error. Okay, next one you have to simplify it means, and then final result delta z equal to delta x plus delta y, that is when the two quantities, this is the two quantities, when the two quantities are odd or subtracted, so here the absolute error, so here absolute error in the final result is the sum of the absolute result in these two quantities, that is individual quantities. Okay, next rule is rule number 2. When two quantities are multiplied or divided, the relative error in the result is the sum of the relative error in the multiplier. For example, if you have two quantity x and y, so the third quantity z in terms of the product of x and y. So here let us consider x have some error, it is involved delta x, and then y involves some error means delta y, and then z involves some error means that is denoted by delta z. So are written like this because z means z plus delta z because having some error. Okay, and then x and then y, so x plus delta x, and then y written like this y plus delta y. Okay, and then multiplied means multiplied, and then finally this result I am getting. Okay, so in this result delta x and delta y's are very small, so that value are negligible, and then remaining term write this like. Okay, next I want to calculate a relative error. Relative error is nothing, relative error I want to calculate a relative error. So this left hand side and then right hand side, the left hand side we will divide it by z, and then right hand side divided by xy. Okay, and then finally we will get this result. So this result indicated when the two quantities are multiplied, these two quantities are multiplied or divided, so the relative error in the result, the sum of the relative error in the multiplier. Okay, next one is the rule is 3. Then relative error in the physical quantity raised to the power k is the k time of the relative error in the individual quantity. For example, here let us assume any physical quantity, the z is nothing but any physical quantity in terms of any other physical quantity a power k, right, like this. And then relative error you will write. Relative error means, so z delta z divided by delta z divided by z equal to, so here the power in terms of we will write k times, so we will write multiplication. So power in terms of we will write multiplication k, and then a term you write relative error, so relative error delta a divided by a. Next one is another example, z equal to a power 4 and then p power 1 by 3 divided by c power 2 and d power 3 by 2. So relative error means you write this like. So here noted that whether the multiplication or division, the relative error on each quantity will be odd. Mind it, my dear children. So whether the multiplication or division, the relative error each term will be ordered and the power will get multiplied. Thank you.